Hello friends, welcome to Slide Hunt with C programming video tutorial. In this tutorial we learn how to generate Fibonacci series using recursion in C. Before write a program, you have to know what is a Fibonacci series. A Fibonacci series is a series in which all the numbers are in the following integer sequence. The first two numbers in the series are 0 and 1. To get the next number, you need to add these two numbers. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 3 plus 5 equal to 8, and so on. You can see here third number is obtained by adding first and second number. Fourth number is generated by adding second and third number. Fifth number is generated by adding third and fourth number, and this procedure is continuous. So the general rule is to get the nth number you need to add n minus second and n minus first number. I think you get a clear idea about Fibonacci series. Let's move to the coding. Here our first task is to do the prototyping. So I am gonna write here int Fibo and within the parentheses write int. Here this int indicates the function returns an integer type variable. Fibo is the function name and the function takes an integer type parameter. Next, inside the main function we need to ask user how many numbers they want to print. So I am gonna write here printf. Please enter a limit and a slash n. Next we read the input number using scanf function %d, and I am gonna store the input number to the variable n. So write here ampersand n, and we need to declare n as a integer type variable. I am gonna declare here int n, and we need another variable for loop control, that is I. Next we use here a for loop. So write here for a pair of parentheses, and then within parentheses we initialize I equal to 0, then write the termination condition, that is I less than n, and then increment the value of I, that is I plus plus. Next we use a printf statement to print the number. So write here printf %d and then slash t. Here we use slash t to give space between numbers. Then we call the function Fibo I, and I is passed as a parameter. Next we need to define this function. So I am gonna write here int Fibo and within parentheses int x. Next we check the value of x, it is equal to 0 or 1. So I am gonna write here if x equal to 0 or x equal to 1. If this condition is true, then it return x. Means if the value of x is 0, then it return 0, or if the value of x is 1, then it return 1. If the value of x is other than 0 or 1, then it execute the else part. So write here else, and then it return Fibo x minus 2 plus Fibo x minus 1. Next we see how this program is work. Consider the value of I is 0 and it call the function Fibo 0 and the control transferred here. X is hold the highest value. So now x equal to 0. Then it check the condition. If x equal to 0, yes, the condition is true. Then it return x, means return 0, and then print here 0. Similarly, when we pass 1, it return 1. But if the value of x is other than 0 or 1, then what happen? Let's see. Consider the value of x is 4. So we calculate Fibo 4. First we check this condition, that is x equal to 0 or x equal to 1. No, this condition is not true because x equal to 4. So now it execute the else part and it return Fibo x minus 2 plus Fibo x minus 1. X is 4 now. So it return 4 minus 2, that is Fibo 2, and then 4 minus 1, that is Fibo 3. Next call the Fibo 2 function again. So it return 2 minus 2, that is Fibo 0, and then 2 minus 1, Fibo 1, and then call the Fibo 3. So 3 minus 2, that is Fibo 1, and then 3 minus 1, that is Fibo 2, and then call the function Fibo 0, and this time x equal to 0, and then check the condition. If x equal to 0 or x equal to 1? Yes, this condition is true, and then it return 0, so we get 0. And then call this function fibo1, then it return 1. This function return 1, and then call this fibo function and it return fibo0 plus fibo1, and this fibo0 return 0 and this fibo return 1. So we get 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Let's check the output. Compile it and run it. It asking for a number. I am gonna enter 6, and the series is 0 1 1 2 3 5, because the first two number of the Fibonacci series is 0 and 1, and then 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5. Give here a printf statement, the Fibonacci series. Compile it and run it. It asking for a number. I am gonna enter 9, and the Fibonacci series 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 and 21. That's it. Hope you understand. See you next tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel.